Dear friends, today we shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Now the solution will be like this. The taxi driver the taxi driver the taxi driver filled petrol on 2 days, that is Monday and Tuesday. On 2 days, that is Monday and Tuesday. Monday he filled 40 liters and Tuesday he filled 50 liters. 50 liters. Right, that means 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 liters. 90 liters. Right. Now, if the petrol cost is 44 per liter, since 1 liter costs rupees 44. Therefore, 90 liters costs rupees 90 into 44. Now we will multiply this number, that is 44 with 9. 4 9 36, 3 6, 4 9 36 plus 3 39. Therefore 3 9 6 and there is 1 0, 3960. After 3 digit we get comma, that is 3960, that 3960 rupees. Therefore, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Therefore in all he spent rupees 3960 on petrol. This is the answer. right? Again I am repeating. The taxi driver filled petrol on 2 days, that is Monday and Tuesday, 40 liters on Monday and 50 liters on Tuesday. Therefore 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 liters. And it is given that 1 liter cost rupees 1 liter of petrol cost rupees 44. Therefore 90 liter cost rupees 90 into 44. Therefore 3960 rupees. That means in all he spent rupees 3960 on petrol. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.